you guys? Happy Monday. We have a short video for you today because we came to one of our locations and this place has a combo machine that we brought in here, I don't know, like 2-3 weeks ago, but it's actually been closed to the public for the most part, and it's finally opening up. So today they told me that they're gonna open up the doors and the public's gonna be able to go in and out. So we gotta get it all filled out. We gotta put drinks in there, we have to put snacks. And then also we're gonna be going to another location where we put in a new soda machine. We actually did this last week, so we wanna show you guys how the new soda machine looks in there. And we are gonna update the bill validator on that just because the other one was kinda iffy. We wanna put a better one. So yeah, that's gonna be today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Also, thank you so much to everybody that's been following us, commenting us. I had somebody actually comment on one video telling me how to fix an error on a machine, and it worked. Like, we did it. He sent me the manual. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. You know who you are. And yeah, let's do this video. Come on, guys. Okay, so we're inside now. Let me show you guys. This is the combo machine. Remember, we brought it in here a couple weeks ago, and we just had a little accident, so we gotta clean that up. But it's okay. It happens. So, like I said, we haven't been here. It's been a while, so the drinks are definitely needing to be filled up. And snacks, we actually have to go through. I think we're gonna take everything out because I know some things are either about to expire or they might have already expired. So we're just gonna take it out and make sure that everything is up to date, make sure that nothing is expired. We're gonna put new stuff in here and get all the drinks filled up so the machine is nice and ready for everybody because they are open. There's already big people coming in, so we gotta make sure we leave it nice and full. So yeah, let's do that.
Arby's. our beats.
Okay, you guys, we waited till the very end to pull the money out of the machine. Like I said, it's been about a month, maybe a little longer since we pull money out of it. So I don't know how much is in here, but let's check it out. Let's see how much money we're gonna pull out. And I don't wanna... Okay, not bad. Like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, pretty good. This has been open only to the client, to the employees, so it's been mainly employees buying. Today is the first day that the doors are open to the public, so sales should be much better next month. So we will come back in 15 days, maybe a little more, and check it out. Hopefully have better sales. It's nice and set up. This location is a little bit further from all of our locations, so we only come here once a month. We try to, unless we have to come earlier. They call us and they let us know to come. So we just have one more place to go and that's it. But at least this location is ready. Like I said, we have an issue here. We're gonna have to figure out how to fix that, but for now everything else is good. Okay, so literally as I start talking, the ice machine turns on. It's like, oh, she's gonna talk, let's turn on. Anyways, we just got here. We're just checking on this machine and we're gonna just update the bill validator on here because this one kind of goes in and spits it out and goes in, and we don't like it doing that, so we're just gonna switch it out. We have another one that's better. And then you guys, this is the Dr. Pepper machine we had at the other location, and we put it in here last week and it looks so much better than before. We had it back there, another one, and this one here, and we just switched it out, put lights in this one, and it's like new. We've got all the selections on there, and yeah, the one we had here was giving people too many issues. Like it was just like not giving change, or it wouldn't drop their drink, or it would eat their dollar. It was just acting really weird, so we got rid of it. We took it out, and yeah, we're just gonna do this really quick and then we will be out of here. It's gonna be quick, we don't want to take too long. Can I do this one with one hand? Baby, I'm trying to do it with one hand. So rude. You guys saw that? I did that one with one hand. He doesn't let me try. You guys saw that? Yeah, laugh. Okay, all done. Oh, goodness gracious. Much better. Nice. Indecisive. He doesn't know what to pick. Whoa. Oh, that's it. What? What? What just happened? There's no H1. Okay. We need to change the prices because something is... What the heck? Why are the prices all wrong? This is just like our combo machine. But I don't get why the prices are messed up. Does that happen when you change a bill validator? No. What? That is weird. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, okay. We're just gonna fix that real quick. We're just gonna fix that and get going because we have somewhere else that we have to go. Okay, you guys, we're stressed, but we're just gonna get going. We could not change the bill validator because it just didn't let us. The coin mech is not like connecting to the actual bill acceptor, so it messes up with all the prices, and then it doesn't let you set the cents. So it was only giving you like everything $1, $2, like all the prices could only be set at dollars, not at cents. So we couldn't do it. We got to figure out what's going on. It's something to do with the coin mech and the bill validator, like the two things connecting to each other. So we're just gonna leave it like that for now, but at least this machine is all done here. It's all set up, everything is nice and labeled, because we were missing that label and it looked ugly. It just said Pepsi, so much better once we have all the labels on there. And that is it, you guys. This got us really stressed out, so we're just gonna leave it like this. But I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a short one, but it has been a productive Monday because it is already gonna be like 5 o'clock in the afternoon and we left the house early. So anyways, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye.